In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create a comprehensive and high-converting webinar follow-up email sequence. Let's get started. I begin by opening my browser to the ChatGPT interface. To save time and ensure accuracy, I have my custom prompts prepared in a separate text document. I'll pull up that notepad now to copy my first instruction, which defines the specific persona and tone I want the AI to adopt. I'm selecting the entire description that outlines my brand as a content creator and educator, then I'll copy it and head back to the browser to paste it into the chat box. After I hit enter, ChatGPT confirms it understands my requirements. It lists out the key elements it will focus on, such as maintaining a personal tone and reinforcing the value of the webinar. I'll scroll down to review these points, ensuring the AI is perfectly aligned with my goal of supporting professionals and entrepreneurs. Now that the persona is set, I'll go back to my notes to copy the instructions for the first specific email in the sequence. This is a same-day follow-up for those who attended the live session. I'll paste the details about the webinar title and the 5 key strategies I taught into the prompt area. As I send the request, ChatGPT generates 3 distinct versions for me: a warm recap, an action-oriented version, and a personal, encouraging option. I'm scrolling through these now to see how it naturally leads the reader toward the next step, which is downloading a free checklist. Next, I need to address the people who registered but didn't show up. I'll return to my notepad one more time to copy a prompt specifically for the no-show follow-up. I paste this into the chat, asking for a friendly message that offers the replay link. ChatGPT quickly provides 3 more options, ranging from a supportive tone to one driven by curiosity. I'll scroll through these results to check the pacing and the clear call to action. Finally, I'll grab the prompt for the last chance email. This message is designed to create a sense of urgency as the enrollment period for my course comes to an end. I'll copy the text, paste it into the prompt box, and hit send. Just like before, I'm presented with 3 variations, including a final call and a more reflective, motivating version. With these prompts, I've successfully built a full, professional email funnel in just a few clicks. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.